Good morning, my wonderful people. I remain your G, Arenga. Today is Saturday, 21st March 2020. Yeah, I'm here to talk about the epidemic that is geographically spreading throughout the universe, which is COVID-19, or otherwise known as coronavirus. Yeah, let's put aside where this pandemic originated from, and let's work towards how to curtail and eradicate these completely from our society. A lot has been had. We've had a lot from social media, and sometimes we get confused on what to do and to know what exactly is the true situation of coronavirus. Every country has been putting on a lot of, precautionary measures to make sure that it does not escalate, and also to curtail it in their various countries. So here in Nigeria, a lot has been said all over the social media, and I'll be doing something during this period to bring to you the situation report in my area. That is what I'll be bringing out to you, and I'll be, passing some informations, about it, and I'll be taking you around to see the situation, in Nigeria. However, since we've been asked to stay at home, work from home, because the federal government has already, closed all schools, starting from elementary to, tertiary institutions. So the schools have been closed starting from Monday, and we will take you around to, from Monday, we take you around, we go around to let you see the situation on ground. Maybe you might have, any school that is, opening on Monday, contrary to the government order. And today, I just want you to know that every day I will try my best possible to bring you news and informations about the coronavirus, as in the situation report in my area. Just stay tuned and keep watching. However, there are some safety tips that have been, said, and people have been passing it here and there. We've heard about some of these things, which I will mention to you one after the other. So we all need to, be very, very careful. This one does not mean that this person is very close to me or related to me. No, it cannot, infect me with the coronavirus. This coronavirus does not know who is who. It doesn't care about family. It doesn't care about father and son, mother and daughter. It doesn't care about husband and wife. So we all have to take these precaution measures so as not to be infected, and not to, even for those that have infected, not to even pass it on to, others as well. So every one of us has to be very, very careful. Honestly, we thought from the beginning, we thought it was just a joke. Maybe this thing is just okay from so place, and it will end there, or it won't. It's a global. It's a global something, and it's going around the whole world now. So we all need to be very careful. Yeah, like I said, that's some safety tips concerning the coronavirus, as in how to, protect ourselves, against this coronavirus, has been, said severally. And let me just mention some of it. Number one is for us to wash our hands thoroughly with soap and water. This we need to do regularly. Perhaps you just go out, or you want to go out, you're coming in, whatever you want to do, you want to touch anything, just make sure you wash your hand thoroughly. And another thing is, you make sure you use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Make sure you use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. However, because of this, I've been hearing a lot of things that people have started taking alcohol, those that are used to taking alcohol, because they say, oh, it does not, the coronavirus cannot take it, and they start getting drunk. Let's do things, the way it should be done. Don't let us exaggerate or, overdo things. Let me just put it that way. Don't let us overdo things. Because they said, okay, you have to use alcohol-based hand sanitizers, then you just have to say, oh no, let me start taking I will take 2 shots of gin in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. No, it doesn't work that way. Please, we need to take care of our health as well. Please. Another thing is to avoid touching your nose, eyes, and mouth. Yes, that is another safety tips that we've been told. You should avoid touching your nose, your eyes, and your mouth. And we should always cover our mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. That is very, very important. Even it does not, that's courtesy, because it does not really matter, because it says, well, okay, because it's coronavirus. No, courtesy demands that when you are coughing or sneezing, you need to do what? You cover your mouth. It is very, very important. Please, let's take note of all these things. Very, very important. And another thing is to give people space, at least elbow room space. Do not move too close to people, whosoever they are. Yes, do not move too close. We need to be very, very cautious of all these things. And we should make sure that we clean and disinfect surfaces that people mostly touch. It's very important. Please, make sure you clean it, disinfect it before you touch anything. It is very, very important. For now, social gathering where you have more than 20 should be avoided. Please. The government has also announced that, and though we have some states saying, okay, where you have more than 50, and some are saying where you have more than 20, that is not allowed and is being banned. So that is it's for our own good. Please, let's take to the government order. However, 3 international airports has also been closed down. The Enugu, Port Harcourt, and Kano International Airport. These 3 airports have been closed down as in another precaution method or measures to make sure that we curtail this thing. And the government, I want to believe that the federal government is trying the little way, can to just make sure that we are all safe in this country. So the only international airports that we have are the ones functioning at the Abuja International Airport, that's Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, and the Muritala Mohammed International Airport. These 2 are the ones that, and even at the airport, I learned, a lot of screening, has been going on ever since this corona virus started. So we just need to be very careful. And just yesterday we heard that the Italian man that came in with the infection to Nigeria has just been released, and he has been tested negative. So I want to believe this thing will phase out, but we all need to be very, very cautious of whatever we are doing. Yes, hygiene, that is what this thing, if you don't know, is what is teaching us. Exactly, to me, I believe it's teaching us to be hygiene. We have to be very clean, thoroughly. As from tomorrow, I will be bringing you, updates on coronavirus in my area. Until I come your way with another updates on coronavirus in my area, I want to say, keep fit, remain blessed. Odabo.